Hey friends, in today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to change the blades on these little hand-powered saws here. This one's by Ryobi, it's brushless, and it's actually really easy. Now these saw blades can be really expensive, and so if you're looking for a replacement kit that comes with a bunch of them, this one's made by CD here, and as you can see, it just includes a ton of different blades, and the kit was actually really cheap. So let's use this one. As you can see, this is a wood blade. And basically, to get the old one out, again, make sure your battery is out. You don't want to actually pull the trigger. And then we're going to basically take this clip. All you need to do is pull out, and then while you're pulling out, you're going to release the blade and pull it out just like that. We'll toss this one over here. We'll grab our new one. And again, it needs to be with this little notch here towards the front of the saw there. And then I'm just going to slide it in just like that. And once I release, you can see everything is nice and tight in there, and we are good to go. I can now put my battery back in and I get to work. Again, if you're looking for replacement blades, I highly suggest these guys right here. In fact, we'll put a little link in the description below. They've worked really great for me. And again, you get a ton for a cheap price.